In today's video, I'm going to teach you a Guide Base44 tutorial. How to build an app with AI. We'll start right on the Base44 dashboard. Open your browser and head to app.base44.com. Once you're in, you'll see that Base44 gives you two clear paths. You can build from scratch using a single detailed prompt, or you can start from a ready-made template and refine it to fit your needs. If you're building from scratch, look for the prompt builder on the main screen. Type a full description of the app you want. Describe who the app is for, the core features, what screens you need, any data you want to capture or display, and the style or tone you prefer. The more specific you are, the better the AI can scaffold your app. When your prompt feels complete, click Send to let Base44 generate the initial version. Give it a moment to assemble your pages and components, and then review what it produced. If something's off, adjust your prompt and send again. Small, clear edits often lead to the best results. If you prefer to start with something pre-built, navigate to the Apps section. Here you can browse existing templates organized by use case. Pick a template that's close to what you have in mind. Templates are fully editable, so think of them as a shortcut to a solid foundation. Open the one you like and load it into the editor to begin refining. Inside the editor, you'll find modules and settings you can tune. For apps that include a chatbot, open the chatbot panel. Update the website field to point to the site or content you want the bot to reference, then click Send. This refreshes the bot's context so it can respond based on your chosen source. Take a moment to try a few sample questions in the preview and confirm the answers align with your goals. If not, tweak the source or the bot's instructions and resend. As you refine your app, make incremental changes and preview often. Adjust labels, layouts, and colors so the interface feels clear and consistent. Keep your copy concise and make sure buttons and forms are easy to understand. When everything looks right and behaves as expected, it's time to go live. Click Publish to make your web app available. Confirm your choices, and Base44 will handle the deployment for you. After publishing, visit the live link to double-check that the chatbot works with the updated site and that your pages load smoothly. If you spot anything that needs improvement, return to the editor, make the change, and publish again. That's it. Whether you prompt from scratch or start with a template, Base44 makes building an AI-powered app fast, flexible, and surprisingly simple.